Có bác kém hơn thì nó bác kém hơn thì có bác kém hơn thì bác có bác lên gì đi hay mà đứa ra tao lò lý nó tao lò lý này rồi nên là bác có bác kém hơn thì rồi đi tao lên rồi tao đã đủ Wadi. Ali.
My name is Barry Stahl. We want to welcome you and to thank you for joining us to celebrate World Refugee Day 2026. Today we honor the courage and strength of refugees around the world who have been forced to leave their homes and start over in a new place. We also celebrate the hope, the hard work, and the way they contribute to our community here in Columbia, Missouri. World Refugee Day reminds us that everyone deserves safety, respect, and a chance to build a better future with their loved ones. It reminds us that we all deserve to not only be safe, but to become stable and to have a chance to have good jobs, good homes, and to enjoy life. On behalf of the City of Refuge and all the volunteers, all the businesses who made this event possible, we welcome you and hope that this day will be enjoyable for you. I want to give a special thank you to Mission Fellowship for letting us use this building. We're very, very last day. Let's give them a We pray for peace around the world and for all the refugees who are in camps, who are in hiding in so many countries. All right, so tonight we have a number of performances. We've got plenty of food, evening. I know it's a long one, but there should be some left for
Hope that you feel really honored and loved and welcomed. And that's really all. And we're going to study in case I've never met you, but hopefully if I see you around the building or around City Refuge, you'll stop and say hi. And without further ado, Barry's back.
As all of their help for all of us, so that is why they'll visit. I come here and stand before to get to represent currently and also the church that I attend, Gospel Baptist Church. So before I go over the song, I prepare a little bit speech.
They are not as tall as the rest of us. We have some youth presentations tonight. Every Tuesday and Thursday. Tuesdays we have our kids club, and Thursdays we have our youth impact group. And our kids have been preparing some things, our youth have been preparing some things. So right now we have a group of, I hear there's a group of girls who are going to sing a song for us.
Đó đu đọt thơ cần lừa được luôn cần lừa là
They have like a basketball hoop.
Let's go. Bài là cái nhỏ cái lẻ đi, cái nhóm mình vô cái lẻ đi. Đã bỏ qua lỗ làm ở đây. Yeah. Đây cái nhóm mình vô ba để cho lại, ta vô cái này.
Chỉ còn tôi đi nhận nhà lại.
Kilo dah boleh tu, jadi je kilo dah. Tadi tak lewat jauh dari tu video balik le, saya tak cari dia, tu kapsi aku bayar aku ni. Nah. Okay, dah boleh tu dah. Betul. Tahu mu quay đó dah. Để qua thì chuyện mẹ nó tới được mà. Tadi tak lewat dia bagi, ni aku dah dulu dia. Tapi giờ ai tak lewat dah. Nó dia kan lewat cek pun. Tiada tamu lagi berapa tapi tak pun nanti kita bakal kita kalau war jadi nak bakal bakal muni aku dah pernah bakal bakal muni mata ni wa maraiเราที่ว่าได้กระดูกติดพระโอดาแต่เรื่องนี้นะกูได้สิ่งดึกไปกินแล้วกูได้เวลือนี่ละกว่าตาก่อนเนาะอย่าช่วยกว่าเด้เนาะ